In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export trade history to Excel from MetaTrader 5. If you want to review your past trades, organize your performance, or prepare your data for deeper analysis, exporting your trade history is a very useful feature. MetaTrader 5 makes this process fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it clearly and smoothly. First, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer and make sure the platform has fully loaded. Once you're inside the platform, look toward the bottom section of the screen for the Toolbox panel. This is where MetaTrader 5 stores several important tabs related to your account activity, trading, and history. In the Toolbox panel, click on the History tab. This section displays your closed trades and completed account activity. If you don't immediately see the information you need, don't worry. The next step is what helps you control exactly which records will be included in your export. Now, right-click anywhere inside the trade list. This will open a context menu with several options. From here, choose the date range that matches the history you want to export. You can select all history if you want everything available, last month if you only need recent activity, last 3 months for a broader review, or custom period if you want to define a specific start and end date. Choosing the correct range is important because the exported file will reflect the selection you make here. After setting the date range, right-click again in the trade list if needed, and click on Report. This tells MetaTrader 5 to generate a report based on the trade history currently being displayed. The platform will then prepare the report file for you. Next, click on Open XML. This option opens a report in XML format, which can be opened in Excel. This is especially helpful if you want to sort your trades, filter results, calculate totals, or build your own performance tracking spreadsheet. Once the XML file opens, you can save it from Excel in a format like XLSX if needed, depending on how you plan to use the data. That's all it takes to export trade history from MetaTrader 5 to Excel. Just open MetaTrader 5, go to the toolbox, select the History tab, choose your date range, generate the report, and open the XML file. If you're tracking trading performance regularly, this can save you time and make your records much easier to analyze.